Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Rajya Sabha. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Election Commission of India announced elections for 10 Rajya Sabha seats from Goa, Gujarat and West Bengal would be held on July 24. Now let's discuss about origin of Rajya Sabha. The origin of the Rajya Sabha or the second chamber can be traced to the Montague-Chelmsford report of 1918. This report introduced a bicameral legislature, the lower house or central legislative assembly, and the upper house or council of state. Rajya Sabha is the upper house, second chamber or house of elders, and it represents the states and union territories of the Indian Union. The Rajya Sabha is called the permanent house of parliament as it is never fully dissolved. The fourth schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha to the states and UTs. Now moving on to its composition. The maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha is 250, out of which 238 members are representatives of the states and UTs elected indirectly, and 12 are nominated by the President. The current strength of the House is 245. 229 members represent the states, 4 members represent the UTs and 12 are nominated by the President. Now let's have a look at election representatives. The representatives of states are elected by the members of state legislative assemblies. The representatives of each UT in the Rajya Sabha are indirectly elected by members of an electoral college especially constituted for the purpose. Only 3 UTs, that is Delhi, Puducherry and Jammu and Kashmir, have representation in Rajya Sabha. Others don't have enough population. The members nominated by the President are those who have special knowledge or practical experience in art, literature, science and social service. The rationale is to provide eminent persons a place in the House without going through elections. Now moving on to powers of Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha provides representation to the states. Therefore, any matter that affects the states must be referred to it for its consent and approval. If the Union Parliament wishes to remove or transfer a matter from the state list, the approval of the Rajya Sabha is necessary. Under Article 312, the Rajya Sabha can authorize the Parliament to create new All India services common to both the centre and the states. If a proclamation is issued by the President for imposing any emergency, national or President's rule or financial at a time when the Lok Sabha has been dissolved, or if the dissolution of the Lok Sabha takes place within the period allowed for its approval, then the proclamation can remain effective even if it is approved by the Rajya Sabha alone. Article 352, 356 and 360. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Rajya Sabha. 1. If the Union Parliament wishes to remove or transfer a matter from the state list, the approval of the Rajya Sabha is necessary. 2. Under Article 312, the Rajya Sabha can authorize the Parliament to create new All India services common to both the centre and the states. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.